Guru Nation, welcome to the Clinical Trials Guru. It's been a long day here. We got Lola, all the way from Houston suburbs, right?
Yeah.
You're going to be interning with Brenda very soon at her site. She's a CRA Academy graduate. She came here despite being sick. You have a bad flu, right?
Yep.
I will not get sick. But you spent 3 days with Chris.
Mm-hmm.
First day here with me. Tomorrow's your last day.
Yes.
So why don't you tell everyone, what was your expectations before doing the academy, just about research in general, not about CRA, but about research in general. What was your background?
I actually have a degree in chemistry, and I did a bit of research in college. I majored in chemistry, but I did biological research, and it was for natural remedies for cancer, but I think I just really liked the research aspect of it, and I wanted to know what goes on behind, what makes the research, tick, and what makes it move. So what I did was I started asking a couple of people, and then I heard about clinical research and the CRA, and I looked up a lot of them online, and there are a lot of classes and a lot of certifications on clinical research online. I stumbled on the one Dan was doing, and that was the most in-depth one. It offered the internship, which I thought was something that I needed. So before I came into clinical research, I didn't have that much expectations. That I didn't think there were so many things that went on behind the research, but since I started the academy, I've learned so much. There's a lot about it, and since I started the internship, it's been a lot of new things that I've learned, and I'm still learning more. So,
yeah, and it is new, mm-hmm. and some of it is new, but most of it's not new, but it's just like a different way of learning it.
Yes.
Which is why I recommend, everybody who's gonna do this academy, I recommend you come to California. I don't get paid extra if you do. It's actually more work for me, but it helps. It makes a difference.
Yeah.
Which is why I encourage everyone to do that. So, what do you think now about CRA? What attracted you to be a CRA in the first place?
Well, I love to travel.
Wow.
So I figured for a CRA there's a lot of traveling involved. But since I started the academy, it's been about people behind the background who actually try to think about the safety of the research subjects. And as a CRA, it's like you do a lot of work. You try to make sure everything is being done to protocol, everything is being adhered to, and nothing is being done out of context. You make sure everything is kept up to speed. And
you met a CRA today,
yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm,
Did she tell you about her life?
She did.
Okay, because I don't know her. I know the other one from that sponsor. So what did she say? Her life is miserable?
No,
she didn't say that.
She's been a monitor for about, I think she said 20 years.
And she likes it?
She loves it. Yeah,
okay.
She's busy most of the time. She said June's the busiest season in the year for her. So she's very busy in June. And then
June?
Yeah,
why?
She said June. I have no idea why she didn't say why.
Well, we're getting busy too in June. I think it's because we do psych. I think there's a lot of studies
new studies starting in June, probably. Yeah, so
so she likes her
life.
She loves
it. Yeah,
okay.
She loves it.
Because you have some CRAs that hate their jobs. They thought they would like it, then they do it, and now they call me and they want to open their own clinics.
Yeah.
Happens a lot. Every week I talk to at least 2 or 3 CRAs that want to open a clinic.
Well, I've only been here about 4 days now, but I like it.
Yeah, you like it.
I like it.
It's a tough job, but it takes a certain personality. But you're now, after doing, and we have one more day, but do you think you would be ready to be a CRA, or do you think you would need to start as a study coordinator first?
I think I need to start as a study coordinator first. I just think I need that. I was told by someone that every good CRA started as a study coordinator.
Chris told me that, right?
Yeah, he told me that.
Yeah.
So I think I just need to start as a study coordinator, and I can say the reason why, because the study coordinators are more hands-on. They see what's going on, and that gives me what to look for as a CRA, what I need to focus on, so I don't make mistakes like when I'm a CRA. So, yeah.
And there's also other jobs like Trial Master File, which we'll get into now after G-Dub is done shooting. We'll go back and I'll explain what those are. Regulatory affairs. There's different jobs. Okay, just go on Indeed.com and search clinical research, and you'll see dozens of jobs. Right? It's not all CRA, but that's the brand name. Right?
Yeah.
So thank you, Lola, for sharing.
You're welcome.
Would you say you know a lot more about research now than you did before?
Absolutely. Yes. I've learned a lot more. I know a lot more about research. I know what goes on. I just used to think a lot of people just, we just test it in the lab and just push it out there and they're using it, but no, that's not it. It goes through a lot of testing, a lot of phases, and I know that now. So.
Good. So we'll get you to be a coordinator for a while. We'll get you to intern first. And then it's up to you if you're going to be the coordinator over there. And then do that for a few years and you can be a CRA. And you'll be in good hands over there. Okay. Thank you, Lola.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for watching, and catch y'all later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.